Welcome back to the Grow Zone. Hello, my name's Ian. Welcome back to the Grow Zone. Today I'm in the community grow area and I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the LED setup in here. These are the Urban Grow FS110 full spectrum LED grow strips and they are performing fantastically. I want to give you an overview of how many LEDs we've got in here, the accessories used, and yeah, let's have a look at some other bits and pieces. So let's start at the top. These are the FS110 full spectrum LED grow strips from Urban Grow, which is my own brand of LEDs. These are available on Amazon and on my own web shop, growzone.se. There's a total of 8 LED strips in this setup. 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow the chain round. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And they are performing fantastically. As you can see, we've got a variety of different plants in here. This seems to be the chili pepper section. We've got some more chilies and tomatoes over here. Some things that looks like they've been in windows and have been moved into here recently. Some seedlings popping up, some house plants, other bits and pieces. This has been a wonderful, are these beans? Wonderful experience to set up a space like this for all sorts of different families from the village to come and put their bits and pieces to grow for the coming season. It's still cold here in southern Sweden, so we are in much need of places like this. This room is heated as it's a hot desking area. Oh, look at the flowers on this. So it's a working office and it's the perfect opportunity for a setup like this to grow some food for my friends and their families. So yeah, let me go through some details. Let's start here with the timer. So all 8 of these LEDs are running off this one power cord. When using 230 volt from the mains like we have here in Sweden, you can daisy chain up to 50 of these LED strips together. So 8 is a really good test to see how the daisy chaining works. They have built-in drivers, which means that you can keep linking them up to 50 times and they will perform in the very same way as if you just had one plugged in. So here's the start of our chain of the power supply and there's the end, which is waiting for a friend if it needs to. So this is the start of our chain. These connectors here are IP67 rated. They're called M15 connectors from memory. They're threaded, they only go in one way, so you can't do that wrong. And then in between each section, there's a little extension. So this is another male to female extension, 50 centimeter. As you see, this one's got a little coil in it because we didn't need the whole stretch. And if we go down to this one, for example, which is stretching below to the shelf underneath, then the extension is used in its full length. Really handy, gives you lots of installation options, super, super easy to connect together. in an installation like this, or just in a pair, and of course just on their own. In this current shelf configuration, the shelves, which are these tubs, and the way we have the shelves set up, the LEDs end up about 10 to 15 centimeters above the plant. This has been really, really good for pulling up seedlings like this. And we have a configuration on the shelf below, which is a little bit higher up. So it's great for more established plants that are starting to flower, in the case of this chili, or tomatoes which have got a bit leggy in someone's window or windowsill at home. These chilies and this shelf is been moved down to the row below. They were on this one when they were seedlings, and now they've progressed down to just mature a little bit more before they go into various greenhouses and different places around the village. There's around 7 families in the community grow, and I think 2 or 3 of them have their produce for their greenhouses this year in this room, including me. Got some peppers, and I'm going to bring in some other bits and pieces that I've been growing in my window. You can see that video above now. Check it out. And yeah, looking really good. That's it from me on this one. Just a nice quick overview of these very, very healthy, thriving plants. It's been a fantastic experience to do this community grow, and the second I suggested putting some LEDs up, people have flocked in with their various trays of seedlings and little plants that they want to keep somewhere warm. We've also got a fan in here to keep a bit of movement, air flowing around, so it's been the perfect space. And yeah, really happy to have helped out with some LEDs. You can buy these on Amazon across Europe, amazon.se, I'll leave the store link in the description, and growzone.se, and I'll do my best to get them to you. Shipping can be a little bit more expensive for me if you buy 1 or 2 at a time. Yeah, check out all the links, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye bye.